Hello. In a world where we need nothing more than love, peace and joy, it is important to think about how we can make a difference in our immediate environment. We constantly push ourselves to be faster and better. But what would it be like if we strived for inner peace? It doesn't matter if you celebrate Christmas or not. Today I want you to give yourself permission to remember a few things. During the holiday season, your mind can be full because you aim for perfection. Be mindful about self-inflicted stress. It's okay to say no to plans or ask for help if you feel your body and your mind need rest. Experiences are better than things. You can buy expensive presents, or you can aim to be present with your loved ones. If you feel alone, reach out to friends. Your family does not have to be blood related. If you have low energy, spend time in nature and enjoy the beauty around you. You can see all the lights, or you can choose to be the light for someone else. If you are lucky to have more than enough, donate food and gifts to the ones in need. This time of the year is a great time to reflect on how to have a better life experience. Be loving and give to the people around you. I wish you a wonderful holiday season. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.